Is your 2019 to 2020 Chevy Sonic key fob not working? A dead battery is the most likely cause. This video provides a quick, easy DIY guide to replacing it and restoring full functionality to your remote keyless entry system. Replacing your key fob battery is an easy way to save money and time. The 2019-2020 Chevy Sonic key fob uses a CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery. This is a common and inexpensive battery, costing between $2 and $5. You can find it at most retail stores like AutoZone or online via Amazon. Make sure to use the correct battery type for optimal performance. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the key fob case. Electrical tape is optional for insulation. That's it. No special tools are required, making this a very simple process. To open the key fob, first locate the small indentation on the back. This is usually a small notch or seam where the two halves meet. Gently insert a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the indentation. Apply even pressure to start separating the casing. Carefully separate the two halves of the fob by prying them apart. Work around the edges if needed to fully open it. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the casing or internal components. If it resists, try a different angle or use a plastic tool. With the key fob open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation. The positive side faces up. Dispose of the old battery properly to avoid hazards. Always handle batteries safely. Avoid short-circuiting. The CR2032 provides 3 volts power for the key fob's transmitter circuits. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. This ensures proper contact and function of the remote entry system. A correctly installed battery maintains the key fob's functionality for locking, unlocking, and panic features. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, you might need to reprogram it. Try holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. If this doesn't work, consult your vehicle's owner's manual or a professional. To extend your key fob battery life, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or moisture, and check the battery annually. Consider using sustainable, mercury-free CR2032 battery variants for environmental benefits. Digital keys using smartphone apps are a growing trend for keyless entry. However, manual battery changes will remain standard for 2019-2020 Sonic models for the foreseeable future.